YouTube, what's going on? Valore here. Welcome back to another video. I am about to film a 1 year later or 1 year update video on owning this car. I know for my car people, I know I never forgot about y'all, you know what I'm saying? I never forgot about y'all, and I know y'all been looking for that 1 year update because I did a 6-month one. You know, it's only right, and I'm finna do it right now. I'm gonna keep it a buck. It's been a little over a year because we're in April and I got this car in February, but that does not matter. It's still a year later, you know? Oh, and another thing, bro, it's hot as shit. 88, it was literally 90 degrees like 3 seconds ago, but bro, it is hot as fuck. All right, y'all, I just found a nice little spot. This is actually the spot where I went to shoot my very first video with this car, like revealing this car. So it's pretty memorable spot, you know? But let me get into this video. I mean, shit, since we here, might as well do some hood rat shit. Hopefully y'all don't fly out or fly back too much. Cause I'm finna send this motherfucker, boy. Oh, I'm bugging. She wasn't even in drive. I'm tweaking, chat, I'm tweaking. Yo, wait. No, y'all fail, bruh. Damn. All right, so look, I'm gonna keep it a buck. Yes. Went and got Dutchies. My new name is Dion Dutchy. Yes. Why I didn't vlog myself getting it? Because the huzz was there and I was shy. I was shy. Fuck, chat. No, I'm pussy. Like, I'm scared. I'm scared to pop out the camera in front of the house. I'm gonna give it a buck. Stupid ass. Outside of that, I have yet to find a good, quiet, secure location to shoot this fucking video, and it's bothering me. It's already 3:11, bro. It's already 3:11. I don't know where to go. Oh, I'm gonna figure it out, man, because my battery's about to die. I'm parked in the back of Stater Brothers. This is the only spot I could find, to be honest, for this video. 2023. This is the last model. This is the newer one. This is the Dodge Charger RT. But it's the last model. Yeah, I was lucky. Oh, this is gas. So this is the last V8 Hemi RT of this color, at least. My camera died, so I'm recording off my phone. And then this dude down there in the pink wanted to talk to me. And then this dude right here want to pull up and start collecting cats and shit. I'm overstimulated. I just want to finish this video, y'all. That's it. So I'm gonna go home and finish it. I can't do it right here. I can't do it. I feel like I'm in GTA right now. Like, it's not real. This isn't real. This is not real. I'm going home and finishing this video. I don't care. Like, they feeding cats and shit. Like, come on, gang. Oh. Yeah, these are pretty decent. I get like max 22 miles per gallon.
Like, do you have to worry about blowing out the engine?
Nah, not really. Well, I don't dog this out. I don't drive too crazy. So it's like, if you drive it like a normal car, it'll be
I've been in one.
You said what?
I've been in one before.
Which one?
This kind of model is but in a version like in this version, but in Texas.
Okay. How was that?
It's like I loved it. It's like I've been in the newer Mustangs. The newer Mustangs, they don't have the handles. All you have to do is hit the button.
Oh, like push to start?
No, like when you're like the driver's side and the back seat. like it's just a button. I don't like the Teslas.
Yeah, Teslas are cool for what they are. Like, it ain't that bad.
Exactly. And like, cause I told my ex-lady, like, Teslas, they have too many flaws to it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's like, can't take it to Tesla can't take to any mechanic shop. You
Yeah.
have to send it back to the original manufacturer.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Dang, I didn't even think about it like that. That's true.
And it's like, and talk that, like, they're all electric.
Yeah.
I don't like electric cars. I like the older models where it's gas.
Yeah, like the engines.
It's like, because they're trying to wipe out the gas. It's like, you don't want to spend money on electric.
Yeah.
Because, like, there's too many people who drive gas. It's like, but this one I love.
Yeah. Dodge is nice. They got some good cars. They got some good cars for sure.
Because my best friend, he had a Subi for 13 years or 10 years.
Ooh.
He misses it, but what cost him to get rid of it because of his kids, because it's not safe.
Yeah.
And I told him, you could have kept the Subi, because he do see me towing. They make good money. It's like, you already finished paying off the Subi, you could have got a Dodge Ram.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I see him driving on a Tesla, I'm like, what the hell?
I feel you.
Gas, to electric.
No, for sure, but
Like, all these electric cars, what is it? It's going to be a bad storm. How are you going to charge your vehicle?
hey, that's true. If we get hit with an EMP or something, it ain't gonna work. But all right, man. Nice talking to you, man. Have a blessed one. You know what, Chad? What a good guy. He just misunderstood, for real. I misunderstood him. You know, he cool. He cool.
I'm out of town, girl, where you from? Say from out of town, girl, where you from? Where you from? I've been in my ages, going down, going down. I can't feel my face, cause it's going down, going down.